And today we are driving around Studio City?
Yes.
Minding our own business. We came up Laurel Canyon, over at Farmers Market, and we just had to see the finished Brady Bunch House. So, behind us over here is the finished Brady Bunch House. It comes along with a security vehicle, so I guess if anyone tries to get close to the house, oh, you can go back. I thought you were just going to move over. In case anyone tries to get us to the Brady Bunch House other than the Brady's. So, I'm sure you saw it, but that window was not there. They put in the window, they closed the window next to the door. And there's quite a few people out here. I mean, we've seen about maybe half a dozen people. It's not as many as I thought. But the iconic Brady Bunch House. Okay, so now we got Eileen and Katie in front of the iconic Brady Bunch House.
Yes, we have been watching Brady Bunch every night, and we saw the free episodes on Amazon Prime. So we just had to come see it.
And it was kind of weird to get here because it was kind of the winding road to get here. But now that we're here, it is really nice looking. Katie, what are your thoughts of it?
Just, I thought it was gonna be bigger, from the show. They always showed like the lawn to be bigger and stuff, but I think it's just like a camera angle. But it's pretty cool.
I thought it's gonna be a bit bigger too, but still, it's iconic, and they've done a great job. All right, I see people getting close over there. So, all right, hang on a second. Okay, so we grew up with it. We've been watching all the episodes, and HGTV. They were asking 1 point something. They paid 3.9 for it, and they renovated it, and it's great, and it's iconic. So I think that's it. Bye.